Ever find yourself being easily distracted when you're trying to focus on something important? We've all been there. One moment, you're fully engrossed in a task, and the next, you're scrolling through social media, unaware of how you even got there. It's a common predicament. The challenge of staying focused in an increasingly noisy world. Our brains are wired to respond to new stimuli. That's why the buzz of a notification or the ping of an email can easily pull us away from the task at hand. And let's not forget about our own wandering thoughts that often lead us astray. This lack of focus can impact our productivity, hold us back from reaching our full potential, and even stand between us and our goals. But the good news is, it doesn't have to be this way. You can train your brain to stay focused. But did you know, with the right strategies, you can increase your focus and reduce distractions? Stay tuned to find out how. What do you think causes distractions? Is it just about willpower, or is there more to it? Let's dive into the common sources of distractions we encounter daily. First off, digital devices, our smartphones, laptops, and tablets, constantly vie for our attention. Notifications are like little digital nudges pulling us away from our tasks. And then there's multitasking, a misleading concept. When we juggle multiple tasks at once, our attention is divided, leading to a lack of focus and productivity. Finally, environmental factors play a significant role. A noisy workspace, a cluttered desk, or even an uncomfortable chair can deter our focus. Understanding the causes of distractions is crucial. It's like knowing your enemy. Once we comprehend these factors, we can start to manage and reduce distractions. It's not just about resisting temptation. It's about creating an environment that promotes focus and productivity. Now that we understand what causes distractions, we can start to build strategies to combat them. Ready to tackle those distractions head-on? Here are some practical tips to boost your focus. First off, setting clear goals is paramount. It's the compass that guides your efforts and keeps you on track. When you know exactly what you're aiming for, your mind has a concrete target to zero in on. This narrows down your focus, and every task you do becomes a step towards achieving your goal. Next, consider breaking down larger tasks into manageable parts. If you're staring down a massive project, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But when you break it down, each piece becomes a mini goal in itself. It's much easier to focus on one small task than to take in the entirety of a huge project all at once. Now, this might sound counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks can actually help boost your focus. Your brain isn't designed to concentrate on a single task for hours on end. When you take short, planned breaks, you're giving your brain a chance to recharge. This way, you can maintain a high level of focus throughout the day instead of burning out after a couple of hours. Finally, creating a conducive environment for focus is crucial. This means different things to different people. For some, it's a quiet room with minimal distractions. For others, it's a coffee shop buzzing with background noise. It could even be a specific playlist that helps you get in the zone. The important thing is to figure out what environment helps you focus, and then do your best to recreate it whenever you need to concentrate. In conclusion, boosting your focus is all about setting clear goals, breaking tasks into manageable parts, taking regular breaks, and creating a conducive environment. These may seem like simple tips, but they can make a world of difference when you put them into practice. Remember, these are not one-size-fits-all solutions. You have to find what works best for you. Did you know that your lifestyle choices can also influence your ability to focus? It might sound a bit far-fetched, but it's entirely true. Let's begin with diet. What we eat fuels our bodies and our brains. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides the essential nutrients our brains need to function optimally. Consuming foods high in omega-3 fatty acids like fish and walnuts can also help improve focus and memory. Next, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity has been shown to boost brain health, improving cognitive functions, including attention and memory. It's not just about heavy workouts. Even a brisk walk or a quick yoga session can do wonders for your concentration levels. Then there's sleep. It's often overlooked, but adequate sleep is crucial for focus and productivity. It's during sleep that our brains consolidate memories and rejuvenate, preparing us for the challenges of the next day. Beyond these, mindfulness and meditation play a significant role in improving concentration. By training ourselves to be present and focused on the task at hand, we can significantly enhance our attention span. Regular practice of meditation can help quiet the mind and reduce stress, further boosting our ability to focus. So, don't underestimate the power of a healthy lifestyle in your quest for better focus. Remember, your brain is like a muscle. And just like any other muscle in your body, it needs proper nutrition, exercise, and rest to perform at its best. So, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We began by acknowledging the challenge of staying focused. It's a universal struggle, as our minds are naturally prone to wander and get distracted. We then dove into understanding distractions, identifying the common culprits such as technology, stress, and a lack of interest. Recognizing these can be the first step towards regaining control over your focus. Next, we shared some practical tips to boost focus. We talked about setting clear goals, breaking tasks into manageable chunks, and using techniques like the Pomodoro method. We also touched on the importance of regular breaks to recharge your mental batteries and avoid burnout. Remember, it's about working smarter, not necessarily harder. In the subsequent section, we highlighted the role of healthy habits in promoting focus. Good sleep, proper nutrition, regular exercise, and mindfulness practices all play a crucial part in keeping our minds sharp and ready to tackle any task at hand. Finally, we emphasized that staying focused is more than just a one-time effort. It's a continuous process that requires patience, practice, and consistency. It might be difficult at first, and that's okay. It's part of the journey. Remember, improving focus is a journey, not a destination. So, stay patient, stay consistent, and you'll see results over time. Thanks for watching.